Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Sony MDR-EX15AP headphones. So these are wired, they've got a microphone in them and apparently noise isolation. So yeah, these are comfortable fit, and on Amazon they're currently £8. I got these from August for free, so thank you August for giving me these. Highly appreciate it, brothers. So availability of the remote control function, okay. Does anyone even remember these ones? Anyone reads Russian? Tell me what that means. I don't even know what that says. God knows where to get it from. So it's got hands-free phone calls, noise isolation, tangle-free serrated cable, cable slider, hybrid silicones. Okay. What's that say? Design and spec might change. Okay. And yeah. So it has. What was I gonna say, guys? It had a. I can't remember how big it was. Oh yeah. So it had a 9mm driver. So these are 9mm with a range of 8 Hz to 22 kilohertz, which is pretty decent, but it won't be the best. So they're not premium, they're like a entry level, and they are neodymium drivers. Let's go ahead and open this. But I got it for free, so I can't complain. The best of these headphones I've ever had is these red ones. I have exact same like this but red. They had like proper bass on them and everything. I've still not had any headphones that are better than that. Bloody hell, is just gonna open up what? We've got a manual. Let me just take the whole box out. Easy. Nothing else in the box. There's your manual. A bloody bastard manual. There you go. Nothing else in that. There's your bloody warranty manual. Bloody hell, that's big. Don't really need that. For France recycling, don't need that either. We're here for the main product, so we'll give them a test as well. Okay, so you get some earbuds with it, different sizes, 4 different sizes for your choice. Bloody hell. Not 4, 2 different sizes, because it's a pair, isn't it? They're a bit dusty though, if you can see. Okay, so I'll leave that here for a second. Don't get more dusty. And then let me take this out. Come on, you bastard. And yeah, I've had Sony earphones for years now, and they still haven't broke. So this is quite good quality, I know that. But this one does seem a bit flimsy, the wire, like thinner, a lot thinner than normal. So maybe it could break. But yeah, so far they've been decent. Where the hell's the microphone? There it is. There's your microphone. So you speak into that. There's your. So this will function differently on different phones. On my phone, you used to pause and unpause music, and if you hold it, it'll recall the last person you called. Or if you're on a phone call, you can end calls with that. Or if you get in a phone call, you can answer call with that. So this is the Sony headphones. Look how much dusty that is. I need to get that cleaned before I put it in my ear. And you got this one. Very nice. Very dusty though. The hell? Look inside of that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this a hefty clean. God knows how long it's been sat there. So yeah. Okay, it's very nice cabling. Right, I'm gonna give you a test on my phone with Spotify on. See what it sounds like, guys. Okay, that's full sound, I believe. Quite loud, as you can hear. Now I'm gonna put it in my ear. I'll drop one sound down and have a listen. Yeah, so my conclusion is, guys, it's decent sound actually, but it's lacking bass. It's not got much bass, it's more of a trebly sound, and mid notes, high notes, all that. So this kind of headphone I actually have already, similar one, exact Sony ones as well, in my inventory. So yeah, would I recommend it? If you can get the red ones, which is has bass and all that extra, it's called extra bass or something, I can't remember. If you can get that one, that's the better one. But if this is only what you can find, this is decent for the money. 8 quid is pretty cheap, whereas the red one's usually about £15, but they're worth it, and they're honestly the best headphones I've ever had. But yeah, these ones are decent. There's no complaint about that, you know what I mean? So yeah, go for it, guys. If you need a cheap pair of headphones with decent quality sound, go for it, lads. Pretty loud as well. Noise isolation is not the best, but it's okay, you know what I mean? But it is just an earphone, so you can't really expect much noise isolation from it, because of how they're designed. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Good night.